So this the foundation crash course is dedicated to Kathe Kollwitz, one of my favorite artists, and I chose a few drawing of different style, different approaches, right? And one is I'm gonna show the drawing that I chose for this course, right? Portrait of her son, also portrait of her son. You see how he's younger here, a little bit older here, and also as a baby, right? So decided to go for 3 ages because it's difficult to copy the feature of a baby, right, or a young person, because the proportions are very specific. So it was an occasion also to not just to study the techniques of Kathe Kollwitz, but also to go over facial proportion in this case of her son, right? We also worked on works like drawing like this, which is one of my favorite drawings, and this is a copy. Where's the copy? I also need the copy somewhere, right? This is a patient, right, of that was going to the patient that was at the clinic of Kathe Kollwitz's husband, and who was a doctor, and she was copying. She was helping at the clinic sometimes, and as she was also copying the patient, right? Usually poor workers, and it's just so beautifully rendered, right? The technique, the expression, the you know, it evokes great empathy, right? This poor guy is sick, and so on. So I really love this technique. I love how she created 2 little quick sketches to study, and then another work we did was this one here, a portrait of probably another patient, right, of her husband, waiting to be seen. But the marks are so perfect, right? The mark making is so perfect, like in this, the previous work where we've seen, right? The mark are just perfect, right? Just perfect, and they describe the in this case the form with the structural lines, right? But in other situations, like such as this drawing here, she has this kind of saber cut, right? She almost uses the charcoal as a saber cut, and it's another technique. So we drew quite a few of these drawings. This is the copy that I did, right? From this beautiful portrait of her son to another copy I would say we did of also her son, where the technique is slightly different, right? Also this scene of joy, right? That's her, that's the husband, and they got a baby. Isn't it beautiful, right? So again, a variety of mark making techniques. Of course, Kathe Kollwitz was incredibly proficient and skilled. She had a great vocabulary of mark and mark making. We study only a few, but you know, it's a good way studying these different subject, different style, different technique is a good way to expand our style, our technique, understanding of what we can do with one type of mark, what we can do with another type of mark, and so on.